What's up, Internet? Kern 1776 here in my pickup truck, Reba. That's the name of my pickup truck, in case you didn't already know. If you don't have a name for your vehicle, I don't understand. Anyway, me and Reba are on the road. I'm headed down to the river real quick. I got a product I want to show you guys, and it's a new product, but it's not a new brand. So this brand's been in the game for a while, but I think this product is the perfect water purification, filtration system out there. I think it's freaking awesome. I'm gonna go down in the river, I'm gonna show it to you, get your thoughts on it. I'll give you the specs on it, and go from there. All right, so again, the company I'm talking about is Grayl. Very well-respected company when it comes to water filtration and sanitation and purification and all that good stuff, right? What I'm wanting to talk about is a new product that they just released, and it's called the UltraPress. The Grayl GeoPress is 24 ounces, fluid ounces. This is like 16. Yeah, 16.9, so like your typical, water bottle or drink that you would buy in a store. So this is a little more compact, easier to put in like sleeves on the side of backpacks, things like that. So a little size comparison, the GeoPress versus the UltraPress. They're almost the same height. The UltraPress is a little bit shorter. Obviously, it's not as big in diameter. So really the only difference is capacity and number of times you can use the filter. So again, same concept. The top does not stay attached like it does on the GeoPress, which isn't a big deal in my opinion. It has a handle that you can rotate up and down, which is really nice. The footprint here is a little bit smaller for where you press, but other than that, it's literally the same thing. Your outer container, which is your dirty container, your filters here on the bottom, and then your inner container. And then of course, these filters are replaceable. There's a little tab right here. You just pull that tab, give it a little rotate, and you can screw the filter directly off. You buy extra filters, put them on, you can just screw it in. It's got very good gasketing materials in there. Get it in the spot, lock it in. It's locked in by the tab, and you're good to go. I love it. I think it's great. I think it's the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's typical 16.9 fluid ounces that most bottles are, and it's a little more compact, easier to deal with. You can still refill or fill up other bottles, a larger bottle if you want to, base camp bottles, whatever, and then this is a good on the go and really a great everyday carry, just water bottle. Go ahead and filter the water that you get out of your tap. Filter the water that you're getting out of the water keg at work. Put it in this. Yeah, just crack the top and you're able to press it. So the packaging's really nice. It just sits in here. It's got a little booklet in here that tells you, how to use it, how to change your filters, how to clean, all that good stuff. As far as specs, they're saying they're getting about 300 presses out of one filter. So it's about 40 gallons worth of water. Of course, that's subjective to the water that you're filtering. If it's got a lot of silt in it and things like that, it's obviously going to last less. If you get as clean and clear water as possible, then it's going to last a little bit more. And you can kind of tell when your filter's getting close to being needing replacing, when it gets harder for you to press and use the filter. The more dirty it gets, the harder it's going to get water to flow through it. So again, it's 16.9 fluid ounces. It weighs about 12.5 ounces empty, antimicrobial, chemical free, 300 presses on the cartridge or the filter. The shelf life of a filter when it's still in its unopened packaging is 10 years. So that's really good. So you can buy plenty of those and keep them on hand. Don't have to worry about them going bad. So let's use it real quick and give a little demonstration and taste test. Yeehaw, out here in the Ogeechee. So again, as always, you want to find as clean and clear running water as you possibly can. I'm going to go out there a little ways and fill it up. All right, so I got it filled up right about to the line there. I'm gonna set that down on as solid a surface as possible. And then I've got my inner shell with the filter on the bottom. So we're gonna just crack this top a little bit so air can escape. It's got these pads here for you to kind of help have a good surface to press. Put that on and just press it down. So while I'm pressing, it's forcing the water, or H2O, whatever you want to call it, through the filter and into the inner container. And again, this works the same on the GeoPress. This is the UltraPress. So once it goes all the way down, it's all the way down, I should have a full bottle of water on the inside there. So we open this up. And I think I forgot to tell you guys, the main top does screw off. So for cleaning purposes, you can take the filter and the top off to clean, your inner tube, your outer tube, yada, yada, yada. So all good. So now we taste test it. I can't tell the difference between this and water out of my tap or out of a water bottle I buy at a gas station. Zero taste whatsoever. And I don't have to worry about cross-contamination, which I think is freaking awesome. So that is the new product line from Grayl called the UltraPress. So again, let me know what you think in the comments about this. I think it's freaking awesome. I mean, a great EDC size water filtration and purification system that's no fuss, no pumps, no straws, no having to worry about how I'm going to store it, keeping things away from clean and clean from dirty. And I think it's just an awesome, awesome product. And if you want more capacity, you got the GeoPress. But for EDC, everyday hiking, packing, going to work, whatever water filtration system that you can use indoors or out, the UltraPress is yeehaw. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Love you, mean it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, comment down below, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time with another video as I get hydrated. That is really good. Amazing.